Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine perfectly fluffy, separate grains of Indian basmati rice cooked with almost no effort. Your Instant Pot makes this a reality, delivering consistently amazing results in a fraction of the time. No more constant pot watching or worrying about scorched bottoms. This simple method ensures a flawless batch every single time, ready to complement any delicious curry or main dish. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. First things first, you'll need good quality basmati rice and clean water. Take 1 cup of rice and place it in a fine mesh sieve. Rinse it under cold, running water until the water runs completely clear, which removes excess starch. Then, soak the rinsed rice in fresh water for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps elongate the grains and ensures a tender, even cook. Drain it well before proceeding to the next step. Now for the magic in your Instant Pot. Add your thoroughly rinsed and soaked basmati rice directly into the inner pot. For every 1 cup of rice, add exactly 1 cup of water. Next, secure the lid, make sure the vent is sealed, and select the pressure cook or manual setting. Cook on high pressure for precisely 5 minutes. This short burst of pressure is all it needs to transform those grains. Once the 5-minute cooking cycle is complete, do not open the lid immediately. Allow the Instant Pot to naturally release its pressure for exactly 10 minutes. This crucial step lets the steam continue cooking the rice gently, ensuring every grain is fully hydrated and fluffy. After 10 minutes, you can carefully quick-release any remaining pressure. Your perfect Indian rice is almost ready to enjoy. Finally, once the pressure is fully released, open the lid away from your face. Gently fluff the rice with a fork, moving from the bottom upwards to separate the grains without mashing them. Let it rest for a few more minutes, uncovered, to allow any remaining steam to escape and firm up the texture. For an extra touch, you can stir in a pinch of salt or a tiny bit of ghee before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked basmati.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.